I look good. Get back to work. You, shut up. Alright guys, so it is currently Thursday, and we are off to Bradenton Motorsports Park for test and tune. And we're going to bring the BMW. Unfortunately, the turbos are bad right now. They're smoking like crazy. We started noticing it while filming Kyle in the NSX, that it was just smoking on decel, so the turbos are going. I'm on turbos 5 and 6 right now, so we are going to order turbos 7 and 8, swap them out in the next few weeks, but I want to know the quarter mile speed and ET between bad turbos and the new turbos. So we're gonna go and do the baseline tonight. I'm thinking like 1240, 1230. This car has run like 12.0s consistently. That's why we were initially thinking run the 12.0 bracket at during race week, but doesn't feel too good right now, to be honest with you. So the turbos we're going with, they're basically what I have now, just a little bit bigger and supposedly a little bit better. So we're actually getting ones off of eBay. They should be good for about 500 wheel. Right now, I think we're probably like 380, 390, maybe. A lot of people are telling us to go big single. I'd love to do that, but to keep up with cars, I want as much, instant torque and pep as I can. We get a lot of love from the camera car, but a lot of people have said it can't keep up. So we are going to actively work on both of those issues. One is suspension. We already have that in the works. And the second would be the actual power of the car. So I'm already smelling smoke. Trans tune feels on today.
Come on, man.
That's the best I can do right now, man.
I love the ride.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate you.
You have your bumper on the car? Let me see.
Yeah, it's on there, man. Hands down, some of the best races of my life have been with this man right here, dude. Swear to God. Door to door.
On the door to door, yeah.
Yeah, that was a back to back.
Back to back.
That was when the G was twin turbo, so.
That was fun times.
All right, so what we got to do right now is I got to quickly retune this car. So I hate all this stage stuff, but technically we're on MHD Stage 2 Plus with an E40 tune on it. For race week, I had first and second gear turned down, so I'm going to turn those back up so it's not boost by gear anymore, so we can leave out of the hole as strong as possible. We're on an R Compound 200 treadwear tire tonight, so she should hook and book. I'm going to try some second gear launching, and that is advice from a lot of you guys online who have N54s, so thank you for that. I'm going to turn off limit power per gear so that we have full boost in every gear. We're gonna go see what she does first pass. We might have to adjust some more things, but let's see how it goes. I mean, I'm thinking 1230, 1240, but the boards will tell. So that pass was a 1280, 207 60 foot. So I'm starting in second gear like everybody online tells me to do. Right after the first 30 feet, it shifts to third gear. So if you guys own an N54 with the 6-speed automatic and you're launching in second, please give me information about how for the car to not shift automatically to third, because it's killing the time. It's absolutely killing the time and it's pissing me off. So I'm gonna try this one in first. It's not gonna like it, but let's just hot lap it and see what the next one does.
They're just not drag cars in general. They're just not drag cars in general.
We're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna start in first gear this time. We don't know the issue with the second gear start, but we'll see what number it puts down in first. That 60 foot felt so much better, dude. It was only 3/100ths better. I'm gonna see if we can go hot lap it. Just do another rip real quick.
Third pass, what do we expect?
Probably, I'm hoping for like a 1240.
Nines?
Nines.
Exactly.
Alright guys, so that last run, I got into the 190s. It was a 195 60 foot. 8th mile per hour, 88 still. This chunk. But that was a 1252, so that was the best run of the night. We're not going to run anymore. It looks like this car is basically a 1250 car right now on an E40 map. So it used to be a 12.0 car at 118, but now we're looking like a 1252 at 113, 112 and a half. So we're just going to go ahead and swap these new turbos on and see what that number is going to be. I'm thinking it'll be about a second drop. I'm going to have to work with the trans tuner because this is just embarrassing out here. But I know this wasn't the most exciting video, but I definitely wanted to keep you guys in the loop where we're at number-wise so we can have some data to look back on when the turbos are done. They should function well on the street as a camera car and also on the drag strip whenever we want to do some fun passes. So that's all she wrote. We're going to go home, take the drive of shame. See you later.